Welcome to today's guided meditation as we open and activate the 7th chakra. In this moment, simply allow yourself to create a safe and nurturing environment for you to enter into this meditative state. Let those around you know you'll need peace and quiet for the next 20 minutes. Find a place where you can either lie down straight, conscious and present, or preferably sitting up with your bum on the ground, legs crisscrossed, spine erect, neck straight. Whatever position you find yourself in, begin to focus on your breath. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. With every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation, becoming more conscious of the present moment, here and now. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Continuing to simply focus on your breath. And as you breathe, envisioning yourself walking down a beautiful white iridescent bridge. This bridge is standing in timeless space. Nothing but beautiful space all around you in every direction. You see the glimmer of stars and far-off planets. You feel a sense of safety as you walk across this bridge, excited for your destination, conscious of the present moment, feeling weightless with every step you take. And as you walk across this bridge, a powerful red energy begins to swirl around you. This energy grounds you into the Earth Mother so that you find safety on your journey here today, deeply anchored into the solid foundation at your roots. This powerful red energy anchors you in so deeply that you can freely fly, never wondering if you'll get lost. A solid, beautiful connection to the Earth Mother and all her wisdom. As the red fades away, a vibrant orange now swirls through you, filling you with the most powerful life force energy. This beautiful orange energy allows your divine feminine to awaken to all of her magic, all of her sensual power, her creative passions, feeling safe as she's anchored into the earth and full of life force energy. As the orange fades away and an electric yellow now takes its place, your divine masculine becomes fully enlivened with the powerful sustenance from your divine feminine, nurturing his will to move, to take action, to protect and align. You feel a sense of powerful confidence as your divine masculine stands fully in his power, creating the structure and drive for life you need to see your dreams come true. As this yellow fades, a powerful green takes its place, swirling spirals through your heart, opening you to the frequency of love. As you remember this vibrant frequency from which you are made, this frequency from which all is made, you feel a deep sense of oneness, balance, open, unconditional love and acceptance for yourself and the world. This love sets you free from judgments and expectations, in acceptance for all that is here and now. And as this green fades away, a bright blue pours into your field, setting your soul essence free, free to express your authentic truth, to stand in your divine will and create cosmic masterpieces as you spread the message of your soul. With this bright blue energy, there is no fear, simply a deep sense of knowing that you are perfect and true in this moment and in all moments. As this bright blue fades away, a powerful indigo swirls around you as all the wisdom of the universe becomes crystal clear in your mind's eye. All senses fully active, your knowing on point. Divine wisdom you've always had is now here at your fingertips, able to be accessed in any moment as you understand every pattern of the past, present, and future up until this point. And with a final burst of color, a vibrant violet pours down through you, awakening you to your divinity, fully embodied in this vessel here and now, knowing that you are higher consciousness incarnate, that all this divine wisdom and magic has never left you, but rather it is what you are. When your body fades, your consciousness will be left. And with that knowing, the colors fade away and you stand back on the iridescent bridge in full alignment from head to toe, soul to bone. As you stand taking in this beautiful universal masterpiece, several orbs begin to circle around you. These beautiful light orbs feel luscious and sweet, like a blessing of grace from the universe. And you know in your heart that these orbs are your soul family, your guardians. higher consciousness in a different form. These orbs playfully lead you down the bridge, and as they do, a beautiful violet door appears. You excitedly open the door, your orb friends following, and as you walk in to a beautiful room of bright purple, violet, lavender, white, penetrative colors, your soul feels at ease. There's a beautiful bed made up in the corner. As you find comfort in this bed, the orbs swirl around you. You have come here today to come into full remembrance of your divinity, to open your crown fully to all the divine support available to you now and always. As you lie in this bed, your orb friends, creating powerful healing in your aura, your energy field, your mind, body, and spirit. They will also be sharing with you profound guidance about your journey as higher consciousness in this and every lifetime. You may listen to their message and ask any questions you might have. The time now is yours. As this powerful activation and experience with your higher conscious friends comes to an end, thank them for their time and presence here today, knowing that you can access both their wisdom and yours at any time, in any place, that your body is imbued with this wisdom, that your own higher conscious awareness is enlivened within your vessel. As you take this time to simply bask in the gratitude and awe of all that happened here, your sweet orb friends begin to circle around you, lifting you from the bed, placing you back on the beautiful iridescent bridge, And as you step out into this timelessness, you feel a deep sense of connection, oneness like never before. All of who you are and who you were dissolves in to this space as you are awakened to the most amazing magic, energy, and life you've ever experienced. As your orb friends usher off into space, every step you take now brings you back into your human experience, into the present moment where your vessel currently resides. And while your reality may look the same, remember that nothing is. Here and now you have shifted timelines by awakening to this knowing and this experience. You have moved the trajectory of your embodied soul to a new timeline and experience. When you awaken from this meditation, allow yourself to see the beauty, the magic, the increased manifestations that you are responsible for after today. And as you become conscious of where you are now, begin to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, wiggling your fingers and toes as the bridge disappears and you are aware of your current reality, fully sinking into your vessel, grounded into the earth, connected to the cosmos, one with all, vibrating at the frequency of love, your divine feminine and masculine working together in perfect harmony as you express your soul's truth. As you breathe in, when you feel called, open your eyes. Your journey is complete.